Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Mrs. News Assembly Day today. So I hope you all had a lovely half-term holiday and that your home teachers didn't make you work all of the holiday and that you had a little bit of time to go out and about and enjoy some of the sunshine. So this week, you will have heard the news that you will all be coming back to school on the 8th of March, which is fabulous. We're really looking forward to seeing you all come back. And I'm going to be sending out some information to your grown-ups all about that. But for you, it's about doing all the things that we did before Christmas as well. Okay, so you'll be thinking about all of your own bubbles and making sure that you stay with the friends in your class. Now, again, I've been hearing some fabulous things about all of your work, and I can see as well that you did over the half term do some of the TT Rockstars work. So let's find out who's been really busy, shall we? So I've got to look at my piece of paper, don't forget. So let's see. In Dolphins this week, we are saying well done to Eve McKay for enthusiastically joining in the phonics sessions. And you did some excellent letter formation, Eve. And Darcy, you've been writing some super sentences about how the monsters are feeling. Wow, well done. Mrs. Ficacello is saying well done to Everly. You've been using your thrusts chart and your fans with confidence to do some unaided writing, so well done. And Josh B, you've been using your 100 square to count in twos, so well done. In Giant Pandas this week, Mrs. Palmer is wowed with you, Sunny, and Poppy and Corey for all your home learning that you've been doing. And I know that Poppy and Corey were very busy over the half term as well, going and making Flitwick look beautiful with their litter picking. So well done to you. In Turtles this week, special mentions go to Dominic. You've been busy, Dominic, cheering up your friends. This is lovely. You've been posting some handwritten notes through their doors. That's really lovely. And Louis, you've been really challenging yourself with the tricky maths this week. So well done. In Lions this week, special mention to Blake. Blake, you went out in the half-term holiday as well and did the litter picking to make us look beautiful. I hope that all of the other people in Flitwick know this and that they will not drop any more litter. That's really important, isn't it? Tigers, Mrs. Millwood's asked for special mentions to go to Sienna J. So well done, Sienna. And to Aidan, you've been sharing some lovely work on your Zoom calls this week. Jaguars, Miss Scott's asked for special mentions to go to Finley. You've done some wonderful work on Buckingham Palace, Finley, so well done. Jamie, you've been working really hard in lots of your areas, but really persevering with your reading this week as well, so well done. And Lily C, you've done some wonderful work about retelling the story of Little Red Riding Hood. So well done to you. Snow Leopards, let's see. Lucy, you've been doing some super work on shapes this week. So well done. Jacob, you've been trying just so hard all of the time. You really are persevering and you're really making great progress in your learning. So well done. And Ava, you've done some super writing all about the castles. So that's lovely. In Rhinos this week, let's see, Jess W, you've been working really hard, but you've also made some edible soil for the science that you've been doing this week. And I know that Miss Edwards thinks this is amazing, so well done. And Mia, you've been very creative at home and you've made your own movie over the half term. Oh, I wonder, can't wait to see that one. We'll have to have a look, see what that looks like. And in elephants this week, special mention goes to Alana for your fantastic work all in RE, all about Holy Week. So well done. Finley, you've been making an amazing booklet all about the life cycle of the emperor penguin. And Clara for fantastically presenting your leaflet all about global warming. So well done, guys. You've done really, really well with your learning at home. I know you've all been really busy, and the teachers have loved seeing all of your work, and maybe when we come back to school, we'll be able to have a little show of some of the work that you've done at home that the teachers haven't been able to see, so that we can share that together. Right, so TT Rockstars, let's see. We'll go through half-term results first. So let's see, in half-term results, in 8th place was Lions, and certificates go to Austin and Samuel. In 7th place were Giant Pandas, with mentions to Sunny, Corey and Joshua B. Tigers are in 6th place, with special mentions to Victoria, Evelyn and Jacob. In 5th place is Jaguars, with mentions to Abel, Evelyn and Roman. In 4th place, Elephants, with mentions to Finley, Jack and Elise. 3rd place, Polar Bears, and Dominic, Georgie and Isabel S. You've been working really hard there. 2nd place, Rhinos, with certificates to Jess, Hannah and William. And in 1st place this week again, half-term week, Snow Leopards, and certificates go to David, Ben and Grace. Well done. It's good. We've got a different name in that class this week, so well done. So let's see who's been busy this week then. So let's see. There was a little bit of problem here. So, but we start with Giant Pandas. You are in 8th place, and certificates go to Poppy, Sunny and Corey. In 7th place, Tigers, and certificates go to Victoria, Daisy, Eve and Evelyn. 6th place is Jaguars, and certificates to Abel, Hannah and Evelyn. 5th place, Lions, and certificates to Jessica, Austin and Matilda. 4th place, we've got Polar Bears, with certificates to Jasmine, Finley, Isabel S and Isaac. 3rd place, Elephants, certificates to Clara, Jack and Finley. In 2nd place, Snow Leopards, and certificates to David, Ben and Daniel. And in 1st place this week are Rhinos, and certificates go to Hannah, William and Finley. So well done everybody on your TT Rockstars. You've been working really hard. Good to see some different names in there, because I know some children are on it all of the time, but don't forget all of your other learning, so it's really important. Right, so now is birthdays time, and when we're doing birthdays this week, we're doing birthdays from the half term as well. So let's see who had a birthday in half term. So Dominic in Polar Bears, you had a birthday and you are 6 now. Joey in Lions, it was your birthday in the holiday, so you are now 8. Evie in Elephants, you had a birthday and you are 9 now. Eloise and Violet, it was your birthday from Polar Bears and you are both 6. Dylan in Elephants, it was your birthday and you're 9 now. Jessica in Lions, you've turned 8. And today, Sam in the polar bears turned 6 today. So happy birthday for today, Sam. But also, we've had some birthdays. There is another birthday today. Mr. Yates's birthday is today. It's a very, very special birthday. If you've been in school, you're seeing some clues of how old he is, but I won't tell you because you might not like that. And it was also Mrs. Palmer, who works in year 4 and in year 3, her birthday during the half-term holiday. So happy birthday, everyone. I hope you all had a lovely time. Now you have to do some singing with me. Now I've heard from a little birdie that some people think Mrs. News singing's not in tune. So I hope you're all going to sing along and help me. So let's sing together, okay? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear children and teachers. Happy birthday to you. You won't have to hear me much longer. Only one more assembly to go, and then you don't have to listen to my singing. So that's really good. So let's see, got one more week for your remote learning at home, everybody. Keep going. Teachers are uploading all of the work for you, but we have got some exciting things happening next week. So it is World Book Day next Thursday. So you can come on your Zoom calls during the week dressed up as your favorite book character. Okay, you don't have to choose a particular theme for dressing up. The teachers are choosing a theme for when they're setting some of the work for you. We're thinking all about Under the Sea. So you can choose Under the Sea as a theme, or you can just be as your favorite story character. So when you come on a Zoom on Thursday in the morning and in the afternoon, you can dress up. And when you come on your Zoom, in your little group Zoom with your teachers, you can come dressed up or bring your favorite book or bring a story prop that you can talk about. So that'll be really exciting to do next week, something a bit different, won't it? So let's do our school prayer together, please. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good, in all we do at work or play, to grow more loving day by day. Amen. So it's going to be a lovely weekend. So make the most of the sunshine in the garden. If you've still got some of your bubbles left from your bag, you can be doing some bubbles, or you learning to skip with your skipping rope. That will be really lovely to do in the sunshine. Okay. If you're going out for a walk, make sure you stay very safe, because we all want to be able to come back to school and stay back in school, because that's what we're aiming for. So have a lovely weekend, and I will see you all next week. Okay, so bye everyone.